Tommy,
right.
you bought a race car?
Dude, what are you letting me do? I try so hard to not spend money, and all you do is say, hey, look what I found. Isn't it Matt Jackson always gives us the craziest stuff?
I did not find this one. Do not blame this one on me. But it is true. Tommy found himself a little race car.
I've been working on it for about a year or so, wanting to try to buy a race car. And this one came up, really good deal. It worked out with the guy, the prior owner of it. And it needs a little bit of love, needs a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But at some point, we hope to be going down the racetrack in it.
That'll be exciting.
It'll be pretty
We
awesome.
get to go down the race.
Can you put a chair in the back for us to ride in so we can ride
All
with
four
you?
of us.
A lounge chair.
It'll just be plastic.
I'll just sit on a
plastic
milk
lawn
crate.
chair. Some help naming that thing too.
Yeah. Hey, you guys got any ideas, Tommy? Since the red car is a little too bland for these guys. So.
Yeah, so send us some names.
It needs a name. Mischief is going away.
Mischief. Yeah.
Mischief.
Yeah.
To coincide with the race car, Gardesol contacted us and suggested that we try out one of their products. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah, and I begged the guys to let me use it since I need a little storage place for the car. I ran out of room in my garage and Gary's not sharing anything, so we're gonna bring it all over here. I'm just joking. Ran out of room in my garage and Gary's got room. Gary's like plumb full to the rim. We're gonna set it up shop here and gonna test it out. Should be a pretty awesome test.
Right, we're gonna set up the Gardesol 10 by 20 car canopy and you're gonna check it out and learn how it goes with us, and we're gonna check out his race car. So let's get busy.
Let's do it.
Get this big knife out.
That's not a knife.
Hey, be careful! Don't cut your finger off, Martin.
Just a test. For Jake. Hit that tape right there.
Yeah, right.
Oh, we got it. He has a big ass knife on him.
Oh wow!
Wow.
It's a giant jigsaw puzzle. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Okay, so we've got some work. Let's find the instructions.
Nah.
Look!
Yeah,
Oh, look how this thing goes together.
These are bees.
Snap.
It all just snaps together. This could take like 10 minutes.
Here's a C. Those are B's. Here's C's.
Yeah, so right off the bat, what we're noticing is it snaps together.
Yeah, it's got like a pop top, like a canopy,
That'll be
like a easy up. Here's an A.
Hey, go, old man straw boss. Hey, go, old man straw boss.
Yeah,
You do the instructions.
Oh my gosh, look at that! It's got little windows in it.
Do we have safety glasses?
We need safety glasses.
I got some. You want to go get them?
We need 5 pairs.
I got 5 pair.
We need a hammer. If I had a
Let's set them
hammer,
up by number.
I'd hammer and you need a knife.
I got a knife, boss.
It says 2 people times 2, 50 minutes.
So we have 5. What does that equal?
That means we should be able to get this together, and that would be 4 people. We have 5, so we should be able to do this in 20 minutes.
Let's do it.
See this? See this?
17 and a half minutes.
This is all beef.
All right, Tommy, we gotta get the ladder. Can you move this car?
Yeah, let's get it out of the way. Fingers crossed she'll start up. (2022) TVDRD8 Texas Volkswagen Drag Racing Association Championship Series Round 3, June 11th.
Congratulations.
Street class winner.
So many people in the comments were saying congrats, Tommy. They were really happy for you to win.
Well, I appreciate it because I was pretty happy too. I just assumed that I was going to take it off the trailer and then put it right back on the trailer. So I told my wife that we'd be there for a couple hours, and it turns out, 8 o'clock comes, 9 o'clock comes, and we didn't leave there till 2:30 in the morning. So yeah, she wasn't excited about that. Chum bucket washer.
And then A's go side to side.
There's more.
You describing this is terrible. Let's see here.
So here we are.
Okay, D's on the outside. Okay, D's are all outer sides. Gary?
D's? What are you talking about? That's the corner.
D, yeah. Start from the corners out.
What connects to the D's on the edges?
More E's.
B's.
No kidding.
A's.
Oh my God.
You seem to know what you're doing.
I'm just winging it. I think it's going to work. And if
I
it
mean,
does,
what could go wrong? You just
no, I
unsnap
think
it.
it looks right. What goes down the middle between
All B's.
B's in the middle?
Yeah. Now set that on the ground. All right, give me what goes here. What's here? B? Okay, give me a B.
Okay, so right now, Gary
So what
has
goes on the end of
basically
the
the front of
More
the
B's and
canopy built,
that E.
Okay, there you go.
and we're gonna work our way backwards. Okay, so they just got the side piece over there. Now we're doing this side piece.
Oh, I like side pieces.
We have the main top structure constructed, and now I guess it's time to put the feet on the legs and then raise the whole thing up. These are the feet that go on the down rods, and so that'll sit on the ground, and you can put your stakes through there to hold it to the ground.
Go there with these two. You got that one? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Don't let it down yet.
Could be a bounce.
As you can see, everything just clicks together.
Just wait 1 second.
Okay. All right, we're good.
All right, we're all in.
Good?
Yep.
Here's your pole.
Go
No one gets hurt. It's the winner. Oh my god, this thing is massive.
So this thing's pretty big, huh?
Yeah. Just a little.
Actually, you get a feel of scale now.
Yeah.
It's pretty big, guys.
It's not little.
It's not
That's why I
small.
was saying a half of it. This third of it would be perfect. 2/3.
What is this? Window covers. How to put on window covers.
Okay, so it looks like the canvas is actually 3 parts, and M is the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just gonna drape over the center.
One is just like a flat.
We need that ladder.
We need the ladder up.
All right, so Gary is suggesting that we should have done this step
Or
before.
it doesn't matter. Am I right or wrong?
This is the outside.
It's actually pretty massive.
Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right.
Okay.
That's what this is right here. This is a family show, but this is what you call a
Three-ring circus.
Three-ring circus. Yeah, you got the.
That poor boy out was standing around.
Yeah, Mike, the wonder.
The new guy.
The new
Oh yeah,
guy
push
there.
it on the new guy.
We don't
Thanks,
know what
guys.
he's up to.
We knew exactly what we were doing. We were just testing the new guy out.
Yeah. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
Oh yeah.
This is like the new pool gazebo.
This is like the gazebo. You have your
It
chairs.
doesn't look that bad outside, and I think.
And make sure if you want to pick up one of these, you use our discount code. We'll put a link below.
Well, you need what it needs is these trailer tie down in sections. How does this work?
Oh, there's some Velcro here.
Oh, we just Velcro, right?
Velcro it in place.
Ah, look at that.
And then it Velcros around.
Pretty easy. And you grab a handful of these, and then you put these through at the same time.
All right, so what Tommie's doing is he's taking the bungee cords and stringing them through these grommets, and that'll secure the roof and the side together.
Professional drawing. What's that?
And there's a window here and a window over there that we can check out. It's getting warm in there because there's no airflow, but Martin just opened up the window. There's 4 of them, so we'll get those all open. That should help.
For now, we should just get these ladders out of here, and then move the car back, move it into place.
Move it over closer to the fence.
I say we move it into place where we're going to put it against the fence, and then push the car in here,
Yeah.
and then we can put the front on. Because right now the car's sort of in the way to put the front on. So
Let's shift this baby. Everyone grab a corner.
yeah.
Which way do you want it?
Comes with gloves. You know what? But I'm only gonna wear one. You know. Oh! Look at that. Did you know I could do like Michael Jackson? Did you see that moonwalk of Michael Jackson? That's Ow! Ow!
You can actually have it right up against the side and have a lot of room on the right.
Huh? This is what we needed at your house for 4th of July.
Yeah, let's go over
Your wall
here.
was right here.
Yeah, look at this. The Beetle actually only
Oh, you
uses
put your wall up there and have a little pavilion.
2/3 of it. So that gives you an idea of size.
Hey, tight.
I've got 3 feet over here, at least 3 feet, and then
Really close.
probably another 2 feet over on this side. And now we're putting on the front. It's basically a wall with 2 zippers that you can roll up and have a door that kind of opens. Okay, we got the door open and the end all connected. Also, it comes with these stakes that you'll screw into the ground and then you'll tie it off. These are plastic, so I would suggest if you're in a windy area, go grab those metal ones from Academy, the big screw type for the beach, and you'll be set. It fits the Beetle.
It's the Beetle plenty fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is pretty awesome. Like I said, I told the guys a long time ago, like 30 years ago, I had one that was used conduit.
Yeah.
That was very similar, and but wasn't as beefy as this, obviously. But we used it at track meets, and so for kids to get under, so great canopy. This would be really ideal for like outdoor events. Take the sides off, just for shade, catering events, things like that. Or inclement weather. If you're at the racetrack, and ideal situation, maybe like leave 3 sides up and 1 side open, so you could, people can come
Put
in. And
3
out.
cars in here.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, because at the end of the day, these are just separate pieces. You don't have to put a side on.
Yeah, like Martin says, you could put 3 cars in.
And as of filming this, how much was this again?
Like $330.
And as of filming this, it's about $340. And
340.
there'll be a discount code below.
Yes.
Ooh,
Is
what's
that
the discount
shipping
code?
included?
I'm not sure on shipping.
Because it's really heavy.
And I agree. I think if you're going to rent storage, this would cost you about 2 months of renting storage for a car.
Oh my gosh, what were they renting those spots out of? Whole street.
Remember, we want to do that.
Yeah.
Because just a bare parking spot that didn't have cover, didn't have anything, just basically you park it and call it good. The cheapest version was 65, but now I think it's like 85 because the 65 one was completely full.
And that's not covered or anything. That's just laying out in the dirt.
Man,
Yeah.
Yep.
So this
we're
is
in the wrong
ideal.
business, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Covered on shingles.
Oh, yeah. No, this is I am very impressed. It's very easily to install. We were a bunch of jackasses trying to put it up, but I don't know. Because we had Uncle Target helping us. It would have happened.
We had the new guy with
We had half the time. Comes with gloves. So I am a big proponent of these. These are nice.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll come back to the old race car in another video.
Yes.
Well, I get stripped down to nothing.
Make it happen.
This is where the magic happens in here, in the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Thanks, guys.
Thank you guys.